In this video, I'll show you how you can get champions in League of Legends. Now, in League of Legends, what you can do is you have this kind of blue essence that you can buy champions for. And the way you obtain these is by playing and leveling up your account. Now, once you level up, sometimes you'll get something called a champion capsule. It's gonna look like this, but not exactly like this. I used all of mine so you cannot see it. However, you just click on it and press open. Now in there will be all of these champions that you can see on the left hand side I have. And they will be in here. Now what you can do with these champions is you can click on them, then you can disenchant them and get blue essence, or you can upgrade them and you can get the champion forever. If you upgrade them, it will cost less than if you go into the shop here. And as you can see, if I search for the champion, it costs 3,000. But if I go in here and I want to find him, I can make him for only 1890. So that's basically how you can get the champions. As you can see, if I disenchant her, I will get more. And if I want to have him, I can upgrade, make him, and there you go. Now keep in mind, you can only unlock them from in here if you open them in the champion capsule. Or you can also get the champions in chests. Not this one, this is a skin chest, so there will only be skins in these. But that's basically how you can get the champions in League of Legends. It's super simple, guys. You just need to play. Once you play, you level up, you get the champion capsules, and you can open them from in there. Now that's how you do it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.